Morning, people. We're back. All right. So a quick one on gold, eh? Um, on gold, we go on the daily, right? As we can see, we have this high that was never broken before by this one, right? I think one time I thought you guys say we'll take these highs and continue to go up. I mean, we've swept both highs. So what we're looking at, we've swept these highs, all right? Now we can see that price literally is reacting of this daily order block or demand, however you want to call it. Right? I didn't take the low, so we're reacting here. With broken structure, we're going up. Right now, we have this break and retest on the daily. This break of equal height hasn't been respected yet. Right, so scenario one, we may be coming down after reacting of the zone, coming down to retest this area and then go up. It may be coming to this area to retest price and go up. So we could say we could bullish on the lower time frame, right? Right. Now, after price took out this high, right? This was the main swing from the down from the down circle to broke structure. Price took out this high, came down. We react inside the zone. We didn't break the zone. We are reacting inside the zone. So that means we are still bullish. So I'm not going to consider price coming all the way down. We're just having a reaction here. Regardless, even if we're coming down to take further lows here, we'll still be bearish on the lower time frame, right? It's just to have an idea. We're going on. We have this break and retest area what I'm looking at. So worst case scenario, if price is going to be bearish, we should be targeting this area, worst case scenario, or we'll go further down, right? So we'll look into this area. We have an area of inducement here to trade off. For liter vibe. Okay. Comprar. So now we're reacting off this area, right? Price. Let me hide this. Price. This is a high, right? This is a low because we took out this high. Reacting off this area, right? Now we could be coming all the way down to test this demand, right? That one aside. Okay, should I do that? That one aside, right? Now this low took out this high. So assuming we're bullish, we have this inducement to work with, or even that inducement to work with, right? Now, as you can see from the 4 hour, when price tapped into whatever demand we had here, it didn't give us some people will call it market structure shift. Yes, we had a pin bar, but we didn't have an impulsive drive taking out this high. The price is a bit slow taking out this high, over here. So I feel like yeah, still assume that the sellers are in control, right? So we still don't have anything any strong bullish intent on the 4 hour. Okay. So my what my initial thought would be is that we're trying to have a retracement only to come to rally, like to distribute further down, right? So now we have, as you can see on gold, where we have this break and retest that we use, right, on the hourly. So let me go on high piece. So assuming we're bearish from here up onto this area, right? Assuming we're bearish, that means we should be looking for sell setups on the hourly, right? Now we have this break and retest zone here. This trend line liquidity that hasn't been retested, it's been broken, it hasn't been retested yet, right? We have imbalance here. We have 1 hour bearish order block here, right? Now I would expect price to come all the way up, take out this high, and then come down, or go all the way up, take out this high, and come down for our break and retest, right? Fine. That's one other scenario to look at for our sell setups. Now, looking here, this area, you see the fact that we're expecting price to come all the way up here for a retracement doesn't mean price should go up there. We should look at what price is doing here. Now, price seems to be price seems to be choppy going all the way up here. So we don't have much buying momentum here. So we could be looking to sell very soon. Then again, you look here, we had an area of inducement here. Price took out that inducement, took out that liquidity, broke structure to the downside. Okay, we had this break to the downside. Now, because we've already taken out liquidity here and booking structures to the downside, it makes this high strong enough for me to start looking for sell setups here as well. So I'm going to look for setups here even before price goes up to this area. Okay, so we have go on the 15-minute time frame. You realize that we have like a supply here, right? So price hasn't broken this high, this strong high, this high that took out that inducement. It hasn't broken it yet. Now, price came all the way down, reacted in whatever zone that was here, and took out this low that sponsored the drive up into that zone, right? So we could assume that price is only going up here to retrace, react, and give us sells. In which case, we will not be coming all the way up here, right? Or we might go down for a bit before coming up here, right? So where would my target be? Somewhere all the way here or all the way down here. Now, because we are bullish on the high time frame, on the 400 day, all right, I would assume that price would first come down to take the liquidity here before going all the way up. So we're still going to look for sell setups here, there, and there. All right. So let's see if we have any confirmations here to sell. Now we have price. Okay, so we've gone the 5 minutes, right? We have a beautiful supply here. We have in price here to be induced. Price has taken out that inducement, right? So price may not go all the way up into this zone to react. If it gives us a setup here, I'm going to take it. If it takes me out, comes up here, gives me a setup, I'm going to take it. Right. So we have a 5 minute inducement. We're waiting for a break of structure, and then we'll continue down. So we'll be looking to have something like this, maybe during London Open, and then take this low first TP, and maybe hold price all the way down to this low, final TP. Right. So that's what I'm looking at this morning on gold. I saw the setup here on GU, right? I made this setup because I wasn't up to trade when I came in the morning. But it's exciting to see price respecting edge. Very beautiful. All right, guys. Imam, let's not be on. Good Friday.